Hi guys. So today I will be talking about the White Rain Moisturizing Conditioner Ocean Mist Active Botanicals Moisturize, Nourish, and Protect. This is the conditioner like I've said before, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Getting into talking about this product, I feel like a lot of people barely talk about the brand White Rain. I just feel like White Rain is one of those products where it's like, and this okay, so a quick, I don't know what to call it, like a quick side note before I get to talking about this. In no way, shape, or form am I trying to bash this product. These are just my honest thoughts and opinions. We can agree to disagree, but I just want to make sure that before anybody purchases this product, they really know. But like I said, White Rain is just one of those products where I honestly hate to say this, but I feel like it's a last resort product. Especially when it comes to shampoos and conditioners, I honestly feel like there are so many other shampoos and conditioners that do justice, and I am not at all saying that this is not one of them, but it's not the first thing that I think of if I was like, oh, I'm going to get shampoo and conditioner. I wouldn't be like, oh, go get White Rain. So after saying that, this conditioner, okay, so I don't know if you guys know what co-washing is, but I tend to co-wash my hair. Less strenuous on my hair, and since my hair thrives off of the oils that I generate or the ones that I put in my hair, washing and shampooing and conditioning my hair a lot, it tends to break down the oils in my hair and leaves my hair very brittle and dry. So I do co-wash my hair, and co-washing your hair is only using conditioner. And then so since that is kind of like what I live by, co-washing, it's like very important to me that I honestly find a good conditioner. And not surprisingly, but almost I was kind of shocked that this brand, honestly, this conditioner is not bad at all. Like I said before, if you guys are really looking for something that is gonna be worth all your money you're trying to spend on it, there are better brands. But when you are on a budget and you are in college and you have to pay rent and textbooks and all of that, you tend to try to find cheaper options to things. So I'm just gonna spill all the beans on this conditioner. I got introduced to this by one of my sorority sisters. She used White Rain, and I thought she was weird, and she was like, you can think I'm weird, but you're paying $8 for your conditioner and it probably is doing the same thing that this is doing for my hair. And I was like, no way, no. So there's a couple things that I was kind of skeptical about when it came to this. First of all, size. I use a lot of conditioner since I co-wash my hair, and so it's like I tend to overdo it sometimes. And I had I basically told my sorority sisters, I need a big bottle of conditioner. This is not big enough for me. And she was like, no, it honestly, you don't even need that much. And so I went to the store and I was like, okay, she's right. I'm spending too much. I need to cut back. And I ended up getting this one. This is the one she suggested to me. It smelled good, and so I was like, okay, that's the first step, because that's all you could basically do in the store is smell it. And so I took it home and I was like, okay, here goes nothing. I ended up leaving it in my hair for 30 minutes with a shower cap on, and I did my typical co-washing procedure, and it worked so good, guys. I was really surprised. I was like, oh my goodness, this is actually a really good conditioner. It really works. It doesn't work as well as I would like it to, but beggars can't be choosers, especially for the price you pay for this. Also too, there's other things that I do that really makes this conditioner more like efficient for me. So I'm a very like DIY person, not only with like clothes and stuff like that, but with my like at home products. I tend to use the product in more than one way. So if you guys have never tried this, I really do suggest this, but I'm honestly just trying to say like different ways that I enhance this product for my personal self. But I tend to take a little honey and I'll mix it in with my conditioner. And I don't know if this is weird or if anybody else does this, but a little honey and a little avocado, I will mix that together, and I love using it as part of my conditioner formula. It makes my hair very soft. I love the way like my hair, like it like really like conserves the oils in my hair, and that's why I like doing it, and it tends to work well with this product. There's multiple other ways that you can enhance your conditioners. I suggest going to Google and looking up some of them, but that's where I found that idea from. But yeah, guys, like I said, I gave it a shot, and like now this is the only conditioner that I purchase unless I'm willing to try something new. But yeah, this is just the White Rain moisturizing conditioner, and this scent is an ocean mist.